There is a common lie that keeps people broke. Most people don't stay broke because they lack money. They stay broke because they believe they need money to start. That belief can become a cage for many people. Every major fortune in history began with one of three things: skill, leverage, or access. Not cash. Money is often the last ingredient, not the first. When people say, "I would start a business, but I don't have the capital," what they are really saying is, "I haven't learned how to leverage." And leverage is free. In fact, the digital age has created a strange paradox. It has never been easier in human history to create income from nothing, yet more people than ever feel stuck. Why? Because they are looking for investment strategies when they should be looking for positioning strategies. So in this video, we're not talking about easy-to-come-by generic advice. You can get that anywhere. We're talking about 7 real methods that people have used to build income streams from zero capital. Not theory, not hype, real leverage. You may not find all 7 methods to your liking. That's okay. All it takes is one. But do stick around until the end of the video. It's not that long. If at any point one of these sparks something in you, leave the word leverage in the comments below. It helps the algorithm and helps to anchor your mindset shift. Let's begin. Method 1. Micro-consulting arbitrage. Most people think consulting requires credentials. It doesn't. Thousands of people are monetizing knowledge they already have through platforms like Clarity.fm, Intro.co, and even LinkedIn DMs. Here's the leverage. You don't need to be a world expert. You only need to be 2 steps ahead of someone else. People who figured out how to sell on Etsy now coach beginners. People who lost weight now coach beginners. People who understand AI tools now guide small businesses. The starting cost, 0. Your asset is the experience you now have. You learn, you do, you teach. It's as simple as that. The hidden play here is this. Instead of building a product, you are selling access to your thinking. And thinking costs nothing to create. Method 2. Digital asset flipping. Without ownership. Most people know about domain flipping. Few understand digital listing arbitrage. Here's how it works. You find undervalued digital products, Etsy shops, starter websites, or YouTube channels listed on marketplaces like Flipper.com. You don't buy them. You find a buyer first. You negotiate the deal and act as a middleman, earning a commission for connecting both parties. No capital required, just negotiation and positioning. This is pure deal-making leverage. And deals build wealth faster than salaries ever will. Method 3. Commission-based service brokering. This is one of the most underused wealth moves. You don't provide the service. You sell it. Let's say local businesses need website design, AI automation, lead generation, or video editing. You close the client, then outsource the work to freelancers. Your role is that of a rainmaker, not a technician. People are building 5-figure monthly incomes this way with 0 overheads. No office, no staff, no startup money, just communication and confidence. Method 4. Free inventory flipping. This one surprises people. On platforms like Facebook Marketplace and FreeCycle, thousands of items are listed for free every single day. Furniture, electronics, gym equipment, appliances. People give away valuable items because they need space. 0 cost. You collect, clean, photograph, and relist. This is not glamorous, but it is real. Some people are making £2,000 to £3,000 a month just flipping free inventory. The barrier isn't money, it's willingness. Method 5. Audience building first, product later. Most people try to build a product and then find customers. Smart operators build an audience first. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. No equipment needed beyond your phone. Here's the key. You don't need to go viral. You need to go specific. Micro-niche authority builds trust fast. Then you monetize through affiliate links, digital guides, consulting, sponsorships. The cost? 0. Your voice is the asset. And attention is currency. Method 6. Skill stacking. For micro gigs. You may not be world-class at one thing, but combine 3 average skills and suddenly you're a rarity. Example: basic Canva design, basic copywriting, basic AI prompting. Alone? Ordinary. Combined? Valuable. Now you can offer AI-assisted ebook formatting, lead magnet creation, YouTube thumbnail packages. Many freelancers are making consistent income offering bundled microservices that didn't even exist 5 years ago. And the tools? Free tiers. Skill stacking costs nothing except time. Method 7. Opportunity spotting in growing industries. Every time a new technology explodes, confusion follows, and confusion creates income. Right now, AI automation, short-form content editing, personal brand ghostwriting, digital repurposing services. Early movers are not experts. They are simply the ones prepared to experiment. People are charging to set up AI chatbots for small businesses using free tools. Others are repurposing podcasts into social media clips for creators who don't have time. The key insight: you don't need capital to enter a growing market. You need speed. Money loves speed. People are crying out for services. Learn a skill and sell that skill to others. Now here's what most people miss. None of these methods requires money, but all of them require a change in identity. If you still see yourself as someone looking for a job, you will struggle. If you begin seeing yourself as someone who spots leverage, everything shifts. Money is not created from cash, it is created from value gaps. Where is the confusion? Where is their inefficiency? Where is someone overwhelmed? That gap is your entry point. There are a million problems out there. You only need to be good at solving one. And the reason most people never move is simple. They are waiting to feel ready. The people who built wealth from zero didn't feel ready. They felt hungry. There's a difference. If this video resonated with you, write the word zero in the comments. Make the psychological shift public. Because once you stop saying, "I need money to start," and start asking, "Where can I create leverage?" everything changes. The truth is, zero capital is not a disadvantage. It's clarity. It forces creativity, it forces speed, it forces resourcefulness. And resourcefulness is the real currency of the modern world. If this video resonated with you, give it a like and subscribe so that we can continue this journey together.